Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Roblox assets not loading on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Roblox asset, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to right click on your Roblox shortcut icon on your desktop and click on properties. Click on compatibility. In this you can see here disable full screen optimization. You need to check mark this option and you need to check mark this also, run this program as an administrator. After checking this both option, just click on apply, then click OK. After that, second method is you need to open run command or run box by pressing Windows plus R key. In this you need to type %local app data % and hit enter. Scroll down a little bit, you can see a temp folder. Open this folder. In this, if you find any Roblox folder, just select and delete that folder. After deleting, just close this window and open the Chrome browser. Just click on this three dot, click on settings, click on privacy and security, scroll down a little bit, click on cookies and other site data, scroll down a little bit, click on see all site data and permission. Here you need to type Roblox. If you find any Roblox, just delete that Roblox file. After that, the fourth method is again you need to click on privacy and security, scroll down, you can see here security, just click on the security, scroll down a little bit. In this you can see always use secure connection, you need to enable this option. After that you can select with, and here you need to select Google's public DNS. After selecting, just close this window. After trying all this method, if still you are facing the issue, and the last final method is you have to uninstall and reinstall your Roblox. You just need to open your control panel, select as category, you can see here uninstall a program. Here you need to find Roblox, right click and click on uninstall and download from the Roblox website and install it. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox asset not loading on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.